You see that video? That thing they suit me for mine. You understand? I still wonder how they do am.
How did they pull them off?
Somewhere from my mind, they tell me, say, bless they just gather all the guys and can't go do am. They can't sing Sonia this song.
Everything to blend.
As in their mouth, they follow everything. Meanwhile, another thing they sing actually,
it's blend.
Now superimposing, they just go put song on top mouth and
they go lay out.
The mouth, lay the whole thing.
That thing is perfect.
Whoever do that work,
no, they try.
Finish work. Finish the whole
the part
thing.
they consider do like this.
They call it, you get what the guy do thingy. I say, yeah. Now I'll move with that. Okay. Now on top of the particular level right now, we get some very, very funny pictures then. Where I just jump online and say, okay, if I just to do some kind of laughing things. Because today, like I talked earlier, we just want some kind of laugh pee. And small time also carry Swage enter the whole level. Just come gist more, make just tell us about his musical career. Then from there we'll continue. Now stay until you show yourself level. But we all spend small time on time, you do some more gist. Alright. But tonight, laughing P. Alright, so whether our first picture they set, very soon we'll show one clip from the Laugh Comedy Group. You know those guys now? Yes. They get one kind of short skit for us today to just make everybody mind they have come down on top of the whole level. Alright, so make we go with our first picture. Then we go just laugh on top of the whole thing. We'll show the picture, we'll come back, we talk about and show picture, we'll come back, talk about and show picture, talk about, you know, and every. Alright, so we'll see our first picture onto the whole thing. You know what this picture? Now they call me Bingo! You know the year, I go kill you before your mama come. This dog remind me of my own dog that year. Now so, this weekend, now maybe say the boy never have been waka now. Because they find the dog trouble. They press in tail. I said, dog, they hate making the press. Just hold him. You will die. You will die here today. You will die here. Before you know anything, before your mama will come house, you look. Bingo. Now they call me that name again. The dog carry stance. See the way he stand, go back. The dog, the bend face. Now, me no go slap up. I tell you. The dog, they come up and say, you. Before your mama come, I go wound you. Bring your ear, man, bite your ear for you. Okay, picture number 2. Another picture, chappy with the door like that, just the commodities, they bring outside the whole thing. Picture number 2. After all I did for you, you still say you were raised by the streets. Hey, me, your mother. After everything. Say that streets now breastfeed you. Oh, this one touch my ass. Now streets breastfeed you. Say that streets now give you food shop. Me, I be my name now streets. Maybe me or man I be the streets or street now be your son name. Not be lie. Most of these are artists. They can claim streets. You know, we live in the streets. We're from the streets. We're from the streets. But everybody claims streets. I tell you. Say, who can they claim Boti? I was raised by the streets. Say street and your mama be your papa. That was touch me. I thought they cry with that woman face. I tell you, pain it. You pain a rich Bomaru. All right, picture number 3. See what you sent to Dangote. Please, sir, do you have any 400,000 naira you are not using? The Dangote just spread. Just say, I get one lose 400,000. One lose 400,000. Make I just give this. May I give you, just to do all right. But some people worry, and they still retweet them. They retweet now. Still retweeting now. People they retweet things. 228. Dangote go see him. You know guy no go see him. You go see him. And this we just laugh for house. You laugh this you know these guys are very funny. They also made my evening very, very joyful. You know. But serious. But you know that the way when they drive things go meet person. For social media. Okay, people go they retweet. Before you know it, the person where they retweet and go. If you know what read before, you must read down. You must read down. Don't get which way. All right, so we'll get one final funny picture. Then from there, we'll go into other things on the late night show. All right, final things. They look cool. Father, I have 4 sons. First one, engineer. Second one, MBA holder. Third one, PhD holder. Fourth one, na thief, na 419. Neighbor come ask him, why don't you throw your 4th son out of the house? Since na 419 na thief. Papa say, he is the only one earning money. The rest are jobless. So the PhD, the engineer, the MBA holder, all of them, Nothing. Yeah, nothing. You only say that one call they do the 419. And this thing are true. It happen. I know one family, I no go talk too much. The one where they bring the money, now be the Yahoo boy.
The Yahoo guy, the rugged guy.
The remaining.
They swag up and down.
Oh, they no book,
they spread.
But nothing. Meanwhile, that last one, now they take care of the full family.
They pay bills.
So, because they can't see picking, they do bad thing. But because they take care of family needs, nobody want to talk. Somebody you all lock up, say, now they bring food for us.
Now you get voice.
Then now you get voice for us. So now be the man of the home. Meanwhile, now the last two. Okay. All right, guys, for here like this now, I've been getting one funny fact I want to talk about earlier, you know, just to talk about the whole thing. But before the whole show finish, we'll talk about that one. We'll talk about that. So kind of funny facts we just jam on top internet. Internet, you know, and then from there we'll see how everything will take go. All right. So after this break, now, we'll bring in our other show yourself guy. Just follow and gist more. Then before the whole show finish, we go see and perform. Okay. So we'll take in video. After this one, we get interview with the guy, then we'll continue on top of the show. No go anywhere. Okay. Now still welcome back. Now still the late night show. And of course, yells, your boy ogbolor, and of course, DJ Easy Bait on the Wings of Steel and everything. We they continue with the show like right now. Dance yeah. Okay, make I not go into watch it mode. Okay. Now, as it be like this now, we don't get our guy inside the building, and I just seen video just now. This particular guy, fitness instructor, beauty therapist, and of course musician. This guy be all inside one now, full hustle. It's a full hustle. Ladies and gentlemen, I guess Swage in the building. Swage, how far now? I just said. Swage, Lomo. Swage. Now your real name be Swage. I be na. Swagdiq.
Yeah.
Swagdiq. It's a Ghana name. I be na.
No, now waiting the streets give us.
Oh, you said now streets.
So now.
Okay. Which streets now? Which of the streets? Now in North Streets. I mean like which streets? I mean like Etimi Young Streets. Which of the streets now?
Etimi I know be streets now. Now where people we don't realize they chew.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So which street they talk now? Dubu. Area.
Yeah.
So how the name take come now? How Swage take come?
The name came as the way it take come now. You know, when I visit too much as babe, they come now and say, oh man, that guy too sweet too.
Hey!
This thing, the way he just the ginger everybody, and now stand my real name now Swagdiq. You understand? So they're just like, Mama will give that guy swag. So just come on this swag, put the D with the
okay.
Conjoin and
Swagdiq. Hey! You go down wound them.
Yeah.
But I think you could give you that kind of name, say, man, this guy bad. Oh, blah, blah, blah. And the ladies, that chicks, that they give you the name, Abi.
Everything join.
Everything. So you not fitness instructor, beauty therapist, then musician. We'll take them one by one like that, sharp. First, fitness instructor, because they see your body like this now, and they see you an easy bit, and they won't get resemblance for a Moscow people like this. You understand? Yeah. Now, fitness instructor, how that one take? Okay, I'm not gonna say how it takes start and everything. Fitness instructor first. I for say me come out chase because I see your video just now. Make people see your face where. I see your video just now. I see your chest everywhere. I say here, Swagdiq they wound them or you want to sell that market. So give us gist about your fitness instructor things and beauty therapist and everything.
Fitness thing has been right from the outset. I used to be an athlete then.
Okay, you be athletes that time.
Yeah.
Which of the this thing you do?
Amateur.
Okay, the throw. Okay, that amateur.
Amateur then so I represent Lagos State then do some competitions, but later from there I bounced to it wasn't easy.
Doing other amateur.
It's not about the amateur. Easy generally to break out. When you be upcoming for everything, some people won't ride you on. And generally,
the road no easy.
Easy. So generally, and when you don't get one person for corner, we talk say, okay, can't exercise me now, we'll give you money for this thing.
Yes.
And meanwhile, if you train die, you go competition, our coach will collect the money, nothing they happen. So just as the moment we bond that level, I enter this lane. So that's how I entered fitness in 2005. Then I went for my fitness course and everything like that.
You can't go for course, sef. Say they do the course for fitness this thing.
Yes.
Oh, seriously? Wow. So you're not pro now, saying professionally.
I'm a certified trainer.
Certified. They give you a quali and every. Man, I'm serious. Me and you need to talk after this whole meeting. Because
after then the beauty thing came in 2011.
Okay.
It's just from the gym where I have a couple of my clients coming around like after this workout I'm going for my body treatment and stuff. And like, I still my money they carry go out now. Everything they here now. So after then I just like okay. I think I can, and another thing is I do massage very well, you know. And
so you do massage.
Yeah. So and another thing, it's just something I have passion for in terms of the fitness thing and the massage. The obstacle I have about it is that some jobs I need to do with some companies. They ask me what is your qualification as a massage therapist and stuff. So I went on to do beauty course then. So
you can't go do beauty course, join again, no. Yeah, join the fitness one we don't already do.
I went on to
so now the year now, not be everything be say university. Your quality day now be for the two.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I went to do the beauty therapist thing that includes the massage and everything about beauty generally. Then from there.
So that particular one now, all those ones now done. Set. Now, which challenge you don't face now for? I'm not going to talk fitness for the massage. Because that's in me, I've been getting special talent for massage too. As I get like this now, at the massage fire. But you get that thing, when they say, ogbolor, please come and massage. Say you done the massage before where you don't say, I cannot come and massage this, madam. Yetunde come. Can't do this before because my body don't react.
You know one thing about it is that you will have issues doing massage to a client, no matter how the person looks, unlike a professional. Is that because it's my field. When I was amateur, then that I say like fun, like anything, let's do, me will do. But now it's my field and that's my hustle. So I'm used to it. No matter anything, even if you come pure naked, it's like I don't see anything.
So some they come pure naked.
No, that is how it is.
They come
there is different type of massage. You understand? So I'm just citing an example that even if it's it's like I'm not seeing anything because I'm not seeing you at that moment. I'm just doing my work. Do you understand? So that's how it is about the massage.
You know they try you. Easy beat. I don't know. I don't think go do that work professionally.
No, once you don't get that much profession, you go calm down now. You know we want chop.
Yeah, I know even see myself.
It's just like a doctor.
But some people there now where they look say, chop. I want chop. Different type of food there.
No, everything is by level by level. It's just like being a fitness trainer now. When I started then, I see like opportunity like when guests come to Jomo, babe. By the end of the day, by yourself you calm down because by the time they come, you have 10 guests coming around, you're dating 9. They won't pay your gym fee.
No be lie. No be lie.
Oh,
who go blow you?
So
why you not the phone blowing?
Calm down. Even if they do anything, just go. I better pay my money. If any other thing come, that is extra. You understand? You know, and that's how it is when you're doing anything that has to do with the females. You understand? You have to be strictly business.
Yes.
Or else
you go cray. Or who go touch you for the wrong places. True, and that's very, very professional. You understand? Learn to always cut pleasure from away from business. Try your best. If you know say you cannot handle it, don't go into it.
Don't go into it.
I get one guy that year they do hair. Yeah? This boy, if you know they do hair, they go work. You know they bring money come. Okay, where you they go, they come. Where they go, they come. He say, man, more than they don't call him, please can you come and meet me? If they do free hair for almost
Africa,
all these girls.
For Africa.
Free, they just bring all their things come, bring their things come. The guy, you do free hair. Thank you.
I love
you. Finish. Now there, we don't know. When the guy was like 2 years, girlfriend not ask him, when we go marry? The guy don't got anything to fall back on. And I can clear say all these guys they don't show and shake gay. So you have to learn to cut away pleasure away from business. Learn them very, very well. Exactly. Now, music can enter.
The music thing, I got passion for music right from the onset. Then from around 2004, 5, or even when I was in secondary school then. But professionally started in 2009.
Okay.
2009, then I team up with them Coded Tunes and Jablers and Co. Then we're doing it, so trying, generally how the music is you have to learn from someone.
True.
You'll be a follower before you be a leader.
Exactly.
So I'll follow, then we are here.
At least so far now, I know say, life itself now by stages. By stages, you understand? Somehow it's not carry you reach here. And I believe you don't learn all the things the way you want to learn in the process, take reach where you did now. Okay, so how many singles you get so far?
I have 3 singles.
3 singles.
Yeah.
And then your video, we don't already see your video already. And of course, I will not say yes, bigger things to come in the future. You understand? Maybe tomorrow now, go say, say you start fitness instructor, quite have beauty therapy, gonna do music now. Tomorrow now, if you say give me an example, you can be doing any other profession again. Because you now, for music now, say you go do one course for music too. Collect a certificate. Because you know the council certificate anyhow. You don't get quality pass on people who go school.
Straight up.
Not be joke.
The one thing generally about Nigerian is, and the way he is now, it's not about going to university or something. The way he is, if you are doing something now, you are not certified, you can't get the better.
If certificate not there,
you can't get
nothing.
If there is a contract to issue out now, you can't tender anything. Like now, if I take some gyms up, then if I go tender my CV for it, they give it to me. Why? Some guys will have dropped some things and stuff, but the issue is because probably the certificate or one thing, they might even be very good than me practically.
Yes.
But they look into your certificate first.
And they talk.
And why I did that was, I have that kind of issue in 2010. I went to 2010. In 2009, sorry. I went for one job in Abuja. Then I did all my best for like 3 days and everything like that. Even everybody knew that I was the best and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, they gave it to someone else, and what they told me is, man, we didn't give you this job because you don't have certificate or something. So
that certificate, for the end of the day, that certificate is not be the cocoa.
Yeah, it's very important for any profession.
Any profession at all.
Even if you're a presenter, there are some certain
some
things.
Kind of course if you go do for corner, say just to add flesh, join the whole thing. You understand? That's a very, very important thing. Anybody who they watch us like this, no matter what it is, what they do, if you be barber self, if you go collect certificate as barber.
Even if you are doing it practical-wise, there are some things you need to know theory-wise as well.
Exactly. And if you learn those things just because you just do by mistake work, you got to go down on a professional level, put your certificate on ground. All right, so before we finish the show today, you go perform your song for us inside the building. Then from there, we'll know how everything will take run. All right? We wish you the best of every. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I see the late night show, okay? And by the time we come back, we go still continue with the whole level. We don't go anywhere. We still here. We are coming back. No.
Shazam, I just want 30, current. You don't buy every type of show. I'm buying and give a la lumpo. With the young, I was in love with dog, but brain is crash and get dog. Bobby, I like those things that you got. I'm shaky for daddy. Like a Razzie, you got it, you got it. That's it, for me. Roller, with your Bobby, that's it, for me. Roller, with your Bobby, that's it, for me. Roller, with your Bobby, that's it, for me. Roller, with your Bobby,
Hey! Yes, so. I don't see your moves. Your moves are like this. You got that street move. You understand? Now the kind of move for street for anybody. Would they move like that just in case anybody enter for a road for anything? So that will take jam you that the only people won't reach you. You don't top Twitter, you don't top Instagram.
On Twitter now at Swagdiq.
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 Okay.
Then on Instagram at Swagdiq_fitness.
Okay. That name, Swagdiq.
Yeah.
The Q.
Swagdiq. The Q. All right, so just take seat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, so dance here for me. All right, easy bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying I don't feel the show for today. Like Swagdiq TikTok just now. You know, very, very, very important. Say you must be certified. You understand? Whatever kind of hustle way they hustle for outside there, make sure say somehow, say you don't already go do the professional things. Just find your way, go outside there. See, I go fit take touch in, do more on top of your own hustle because everybody hustle got to be a bit more professional.
Very.
You understand? Whether you bricklayer, you think go one place they'll give you certificate on top bricklayer work.
Go shock
you. You just shock you.
Yes, now they call you engineer.
Now they call it. Not true. You understand? Your certificate, no difference. So
yeah,
I'm a construction worker.
I tell you.
You know, I have my certificate. You understand? If you be a barber with swag, you understand? Fitness instructor, go collect certificate. Anything, certificate. Just anything work they do. Witchcraft self, they're supposed to give certificate. I'm sure. Somewhere along the line, I be wish. Let me show. See my certificate.
Wow,
yes,
so you're well read.
Witchcraft.
So you're well read.
Billy on Billy. We are gonna go. I said, no, me Kogi. Our own. All right, so thank you very much, guys. Anybody will get any contribute on top of the show, anything at all you do say you want on top of the show, just give us your own comment. Just go on top Twitter at WLate Night Show. Reach there, give us your own gist, and of course, we go to follow you and follow you, relate and everything. Okay. So until we see you now tomorrow. Now for myself and Easy Beat, we'll say good night to all of you now. Mona sleep well. We'll see you now again tomorrow.
X to the P, Jana. For me. Roller, with your Bobby.